Hi there, it's Craig from ASI Planning and welcome to your development checklist. This is a one-page document that's been designed to help you with your property developing and to make sure you don't miss critical factors when looking at development sites, but also it's designed to save you a lot of time. If there's one thing I hear a lot from property developers is that they seem to waste a lot of time looking for sites and they're always looking for ways to be able to find development sites faster, but also how to be able to eliminate projects that won't work quicker as well. So the purpose of this checklist is to bring to your attention aspects of the development that may need additional investigations. We recommend ticking the boxes in the top section and making notes at the bottom of the page, and there's a property address section there as well. So this is a one-pager. This one-pager could be a 20-page document going through lots and lots of detail, but it's not. Its purpose is to bring to your attention things that may need more attention and to be able to do it as quickly and as easily as possible. So the way this video is going to work, there's going to be 3 videos that you can watch. This first one will be the shortest one and is an introductory video. The next one will be how you can do checks at home or in your office so that you can save yourself time by not looking at development sites which were never going to work in the first place. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, that you're looking at a particular site that you want to do a subdivision of, and it happens to be that it's the wrong zoning, or it's the wrong lot sizes, or there's overlays, it's affected by 3 meters of flooding, or there's something particularly wrong with it. In which case, what you can do is, while you're still at home, you can work out that this subdivision site you might be getting excited about will never work, and that you're wasting your time doing a site visit. We can always say, yep, just going out doing a site visit, I'm being active, I'm getting involved, but if you're looking at sites which are never going to work, you're wasting your time. So that's what the purpose of these videos are about. So the next video, which will be video 2, will be the checks you can do at home or in the office, and we'll be doing things like checking the zoning, checking the lot sizes, checking the lot widths and depths, checking to see if there's any demolition controls, and if there's any pre-1946 houses that may have demolition controls. We're going to look at overlay issues like flooding and bushfire, and looking at the slope of the land. We'll also do a Google Street View. We'll look at aerial photography as well. It's amazing, the aerial photography in the Google Street View, how much you can do without leaving your home office. We'll be looking at where your pipes are via doing a dial before you dig search, looking at where council's infrastructure is and what could be problematic. We're also going to be talking about calling a planner and also calling a civil engineer. There may be other engineers, but civil engineer is the most common one. So these are all things that can be done at home to save yourself time and not look at sites which are never going to work. Also, in a really hot market, you may not have a lot of time, so you want to get these searches done at night time, maybe after hours, when you can be at your computer after hours and look through these points. The next thing is, if you satisfy all those first ones and you're at the home or at the office, you say, yep, this has still got legs, this is still a profitable, looks like it could be a profitable, successful project, we'll then go on site. We want to see if there's any nasty surprises on site, like street trees. We want to look at nearby development, see if there's any street or verge furniture. So that's like bus stops that could be in the way of a development or a driveway that you may want to do. We'll look at the slope of the land and look for stormwater pits and Telstra pits. We're also going to look for supportive arguments and start getting our head around the things we need to look to justify the development we're looking to do ourselves by looking at what's being developed nearby. Again, we'll look at flooding in a bit more detail, and we're also going to look at the adjacent properties to understand how our development might affect those properties. At the bottom, there's a notes and action sections, and I'm sure if you run out of space there, you can turn the page over. The real purpose is that it's one page that you can do for every property, and you can file this away if you want to afterwards, but it's really designed to keep it really simple, and it's designed to bring to your attention aspects that may require more attention. So this is your first video. As I said, there will be 3. The second one will be your searches in the office or at home. The third one will be on site. This is it for video 1. I hope you enjoyed this quick introductory video, and be sure to watch video 2 and 3 when you get a chance. Have a great day. Craig from ASI Planning. Bye-bye.